Good morning, y'all. It's a new day. Sunday today. I was having a pretty good time this whole weekend trying to get this together, but I barely even touched it because just like a lot of people are coming in and out and just visiting some people I haven't seen for a while, and went to a monster truck show. That was pretty sick. What you think about that monster truck?
That monster truck is so small.
Yeah,
Small.
that's a small monster truck.
Yeah.
That one's cool though. And you know, just like things were keeping me busy, but I'm back to it today. It's Sunday and not too bad of a day. It's a little bit chilly, but I'll be alright. There's not too much to do at all besides put it in. I got the walls cleaned off a little bit, not like really good, but just enough to be happy with it. Got the new throwout bearing in and cleaned up a bit with some brake cleaner, and yeah, everything's ready to go. I just gotta go ahead and turn this engine around so the clutch is obviously facing towards the transmission, and just try to lining it up. Lining her up might be a little bit of a task alone, so I'm just gonna try to do it myself, and then hopefully some people show up. Oh, you know what? We learned the hard way.
We just bring the house down. That's what we do.
Hey, I'm just gonna be rocking. I got a flashlight in the walker if you need it.
Yeah. Got the handy dandy walker bag. How do I turn this shit off? Oh, you got it. So maybe I was lying. Oh, I see it. Yeah, I can see it. What he said. Yeah, no.
No, you're fine.
Yeah, you need to go down. Yep. Yep.
I just went in.
It just went.
I'm like, what? No. Can you just pull the jack just the tiniest bit?
Say again?
Can you pull the jack just the tiniest bit?
Pull it? What do you mean pull?
Make
To go up?
the ground jack go up.
Yep.
You got the jack.
A little bit more.
Anybody needs to talk to you, they're over there. You know what I mean? What do you want me to do now?
Videotape me real quick. I gotta get a snippet real quick.
Videotape you? Like, am I...
Is
Wait.
it recording or did you just stop it?
Oh, it's recording.
It's recording?
Yeah.
Alright. So, me and Jay, show your face, Jay. That guy right there, it's looking rough. I'm looking rough. It's because we just spent, 6 hours trying to get this engine, point at the engine.
Yeah, that engine over there.
Yeah, this one right there. Into that transmission, point at that transmission. Yeah. I was trying to get those plugged in. Me and Jay was moving the engine around. We ended up having to drop the exhaust. Maybe you could see it, maybe not. We had to drop that. We thought, you know, we was really struggling just trying to line everything up. What it turned out to be was this bearing right here. Jay found this in a sketchy alley 45 minutes away from here, and we used it. Action Clutch actually provides one, and we didn't use it. Now, it's not proven, but we thinking, well, Jay thinking, and now I'm thinking, that this one got compressed and we hit it so much that it made it thick, and it doesn't go over the spindle like it should. Klein, you following me? Now this one still fits on the spindle, and Jay's thinking maybe if we put it in, it'll compress and it won't fit. I got a lot of faith. I'm a positive person. I think it's gonna work. It came with the clutch. It should work. This one, back alley, 45 minutes away from here. This one, high profile, well-known company, pilot bush and bear. All right, well, the new one's in. Let's see how that works out for us. Ah, Jesus. You see how hard that is to take off? All right, well, this is the next chapter in our lives.
Sounds like a good time to get dinner.
Second dinner.
Right? I could do for a third. Oh, VQ. Come on.
There you go. All right, guys, yet again, it's a brand new day, and it's actually a beautiful one, thank God, because I was just feeling a little bit cold yesterday. So, last time I talked to you was 2 seconds ago, and I was telling you about the bushing was messed up and too thick, and I should have used the one from Action Clutch. So I did, I replaced it, I put in the new one, and the engine is still not in the car. It actually got crushed when we were putting it in there. This one we got a little bit more, not violent is not the word, but we definitely did try to give it a nice shove in there one time that we had it lined up, and it looked sketchy, and I was like, hold up, pause, let's stop this shit. I pulled out the engine, put the car back on the ground, and looking inside of it, I actually chipped the bushing itself. So not a good look, but you know, we're just trying to figure it out. And I think today, well, I know today is gonna be, I'm just gonna take out the whole transmission itself, a whole piece, get it out of the car, basically gonna keep the engine on that cart, but I'm gonna have it connected to this hook, and then I'm gonna have the transmission on a transmission jack that I still have to buy. I'll just go down the street and get it, and I'm just gonna have to basically slide the transmission onto the engine outside of the car. That way I can have everything in a controlled environment, and it'll hopefully work a lot better. So I have 2 pilot bushings on the way. I don't have them with me. I had to order 2. I went to Nissan, they don't have it in stock, so they just ordered for next day delivery. So that's good. I ordered 2 of them just because, you know, I already broke 2, so I'm obviously already on a streak. So obviously that means I have to wait a whole day, but I'm not gonna waste any time. I mean, like, I still have those parts that I showed you guys, and I have the car here. So I'm gonna go ahead and first just work on getting the transmission out and having that set aside along with the engine. I'm gonna yet again take off all those bolts and get the flywheel and the clutch off again, and take off the crusted up bushing. I'll be able to show you guys that how chipped it got, and yeah, basically have that all set up for tomorrow. And once that's done, I can work on, I think I'll just go ahead and work on the, let me get around the car. So all those bushings I got for the front of the car, like the oil galley gaskets. Did I say gasket? All those gaskets that I got, all the gaskets that I got for the front of the engine, along with the oil galley gaskets and the other gaskets. I'm gonna go ahead and do that after I get the transmission out. So just gonna work on taking all that stuff off, and yeah, just getting to it. So not gonna waste the day. It's beautiful outside, it feels good, so just gonna keep progressing, and we'll see what happens next. Might be a whole nother month till I drive the car again. I mean, I keep thinking I'm gonna come down and finish the car, but I think more things keep popping up, but that's okay. I mean, like, every time I leave, I come back with another something new, you know. I got the new clutch this time. Who knows, they make me wait again, I might come back with some headers.
You right there. Yeah, we gotta take it out for you. Okay.
Yep. Good. My G. 23 slope. Yeah, we going down good. Shit. It's hard to control the speed on this one. That's it.
Now pull it out of there. Move
Yeah?
the handle out of the way.
Alright, bet. So I'll go from the bottom and you go on top, huh?
Yeah, we'll just put a board right there where it'll catch it. Just whenever you're ready.
Alright, ready? 1, 2, 3. Hold on.
I got you. You good?
Alright, we good.
All right, moving forward.
I can only go like no, right there.
Good?
Yeah, hold on. Let me get this jack out of the way. And try to push it a little bit my way. That way this stick don't push too much on the tunnel. You know what I'm saying? Like push down here. Don't pull up.
Push down?
Like that.
Oh, you just flipped my block, dude. We're pulling down.
Shit. We'll just try to keep it like that.
Yeah.
You good?
Yep.
Alright, I'm letting go. Just to get the jack out of the way. Sorry, Mr. Wizard.
Got it?
Yeah.
All right. You all right?
Yeah, hold on.
Huh?
The stick is hold on. That stick, not the... Try to go a little bit clockwise.
Yep.
Wait. Alright, there we go. Alright, hold on. Rest it though, so I can come around.
Yeah, you good? Come on.
Alright.
Nice.
Hold up. Let me go out there. I gotta reach through my leg. Hold on. Got this bar on my leg.
My fault. Oh shit.
Oh.
You good?
You good?
Huh? Yep. That's what's awesome about having busted joints and everything. They flex in ways they shouldn't.
Alright, we can just set it up by the hood.
All right.
Damn.
Dang nabbit. I was clean all the way to the end.
Yeah, that gloves they brought over here. Damn, we got them out.
Alright.
Whew. Good shit, James.
I gotta watch where I walk, dude.
Nah, you're good, bro. That's amazing. Yeah, got her out of there now. Ain't no way that we can't line this bitch up. Ain't no way. If she not going in, it's because something's
Exactly. Well, that's tomorrow morning.
Yup.
Tomorrow morning.
9 a.m. sharp, you heard?
Following me for. Well, hold on now. Oh yeah.
1999 World's Strongest Man. Look him up. We should be good. Unfortunately, I still have to take this off. This is gonna be the third time putting Loctite on this shit after I take it off, and I'm running out of Loctite. I'm trying to hope for the best, and I'm gonna go ahead and just replace the pilot pushing yet again. I actually freezed this one, so hopefully it shouldn't be too hard to get into the engine, but you know, they're just giving us problems. I bought 2 of them, so we have 2 more tries, and all I can do is hope that it wants to work with us.
Put a man on the beat, man.